Viva introducing Rainscreen System, a next-generation installation solution with the lightweight aluminium corrugated composite panel which has the highest capability to resist fire at the level of FR Class A2. Western world adopting sealant-free ACP system for all modern buildings. It is the new age ACP facade system. Sealant-free ACP installation solution without sealant is the USP of Viva. Now we will see the method of making a tray along with cutting and bending of an aluminium corrugated composite panel. Let's see how to install Viva sealant-free Rainscreen system. First, choose your blade. We recommend 4-inch 40 teeth blade for cutting machine. Non-specified blade gives rough edge to the panel. Now, for V-groove and bending up to 90 degrees, choose bit router 12 by 12 by 90 by 6 mm specification. Then adjust the router for grooving. Make sure to set the bit till embossed, should not touch the upper coil of the sheet. Now, you route the sheet as per panel dimension and clean the sheet to avoid scratches. For making the V-groove, please leave 25 mm gap from the edge. Cut the corner to make the tray. Bend the sheet gently up to 90 degrees for tray making. After 90-degree bend, use 25 mm angle cleat to join the corners with rivet. Your tray is ready. Viva Systems works mainly on male-female Rainscreen System or MFR, which strengthens the resistance power and forms thermal warding and hence save electric energy. Now, let's understand three main components of MFR Rainscreen System. First, female profile. Second, male profile. Third, omega profile. At the first stage, we recommend to use bituminous paint and then T-bracket on the wall. Start fixing the omega profile from bottom. Measure the dimension of the panel and place the omega profile. First fix the female profile with the omega profile, then fix the male profile with the panel. Make sure you always fix the panel with arrow direction. Make sure to keep minimum 3 to 4 mm gap between the two panels. Gently remove the protective film after fixing the panel. No silicone means no leakages and no tinges, so obviously zero maintenance. This new age Viva system is more effective, as the other ACP with silicone method has to be changed in every 1.5 years, as 40 to 55% silicone spreads after leaking and makes the corners in bad shape. No wall is waterproof, but Viva Rainscreen System acts as a shield to rainwater. Is an energy saver as it doesn't let the direct sun heat to reach to walls and keeps the temperature of interiors under control, and above all gives a beautiful look to the building. Causes this system complements to use of premium ACPs on the facade. It's cost effective and provides quick installation and high quality aesthetics on the building. Experts strongly believe that facades should be clean and remain glossy and glittering for years, and Rainscreen supports getting it. Viva Systems, a next generation facade system. What we commit, we deliver it.